Hey guys, so I am up. It's like 10 p.m. on a Friday, and I'm ready to clean up and get everything organized. Watching the game, the Brewers. We are 7-2. So excited. We gotta win tonight. Gotta win tomorrow, so we can be in the World Series. But this is my situation. I've got all my furniture is still in my living room. I've been sleeping out here, and all of this is in my kitchen. So we need to clean up majorly. So I don't know how much you're gonna see of me cleaning up. I really just wanna focus. So that's what I'm gonna do. Got the bathroom is a mess. Bedroom, oh my god, and my bra's right there. But yeah, so I'm gonna clean up now, and I will see you guys when I'm finished. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a really chill, casual video. I kind of wanted to make this really cute and fun, but I am losing sunlight. It's a little after 6, so I want to use as much natural daylight as I can get for this video, so I'm just gonna go with it. But basically what I mean is my place isn't, I'm in the process of getting things back together and in order since my floors were redone. So I don't have everything on the kitchen counter anymore, as you saw in the last vlog, but I still got some things that need to be organized. But without further ado, today we are going to decorate my house for fall. And I'm a little bit on the late show, but whatever, it isn't Halloween yet. And Thanksgiving, I still like to decorate with orange and green and deeper like reds and stuff like that. So purples, whatever. So I still want to decorate for fall, and then Christmas we will decorate all over again. So I just got back from TJ Maxx, and hopefully this isn't such a bad angle. I'm using a new tripod and I'm trying to get the hang of it. So I apologize if I'm a little all over the place, but I just got back from TJ Maxx and I got some great stuff. So I want to show you guys everything that I bought, and then we will decorate together. So hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you want to help me decorate for fall, just keep on watching. Okay guys, so here is the big TJ Maxx haul. I've already got my candles from Bath and Body Works, so I will show you those, but then I got one more candle. I almost said camera. Got one more candle. This one is for my bedroom because I don't have anything orange in there just yet, and nothing that's like pumpkin smelling. So it's so pretty. It says thankful, a state of feeling or expressing gratitude. So that's what I got, and it smells really pretty, and I love the gold topper. I like these to be kind of pretty too and match my decor. So this was $6.99. I don't know the brand of this. It was just on the way out as I was checking out. And yeah, it's the perfect little size for my nightstand, so I got that. We're gonna mainly be decorating in my bedroom today. That needs the most work. I needed new bedding and everything. So anywho, I got a brand new wreath. I thought I had mine from a few years ago, but I threw it away. So got a brand new wreath. It's just cute, simple, has little pumpkins on it and whatever. It was $19.99. This year, I also got some little pumpkins. I've never bought anything for like super fall related. I normally just do a wreath in my candles and on the inside, but I got some more little decor items that I can put out every year. So I got these cute little orange pumpkins, and I have some white tea lights that I want to like intermix with the pumpkins. And then for my bedroom, I finally got some string lights. So I do still need to get batteries for this. I want to hang this up behind my bed. These were, I think they were These were $10, $9.99. Compare it, 14. Wow. Okay, so yep, I got the they're stars actually, so that's what they will look like. So to kind of explain the bed situation, the bedding or whatever. Oh, isn't he cute? This is gonna go in my kitchen. These are dish towels, or I don't know what you call them, but little pumpkins. And then I just think this little puppy is so sweet, so I could not leave him at the store. Got this was $6.99, so $7. So I'll switch out my current dish towels to these. They're just decorative, I don't actually use them. So oh, but the bed, I am doing a Cinderella theme. So I wanted a new comforter that's like all year round, like how I want to do my bed. And I normally always do white. And so this time I thought I was gonna change the color, but I still gravitated towards the white. So I got a Kate Spade New York comforter, and it has these little like champagne polka dots. And I already have some big oversized throw pillows that match the polka dots, so I thought that was perfect. I just got another set of plain white sheets. These were 19 bucks, and they're super soft. So I don't know what the thread count is, but I felt them because you can open them back here, and I kind of touched them and I was like, oh, those feel really soft. They're the Riviera collection, and it comes with a flat sheet, a fitted sheet, 2 pillowcases, and they're wrinkle resistant, and they're super soft to the touch. So happy I got those. So then when I came to but I want my bedroom to have some fall elements. So I am gonna use some of the pumpkins in my bedroom. I also have obviously the pumpkin candle. And then this pillow, I was like, that reminds me of Cinderella. So I was like, I'll go with a Cinderella. Sorry if I'm shaking. My theme will be Cinderella. So I got this little throw pillow with the pearl embroidered pumpkin on it, and it just looks really whimsical and very Cinderella-ish, and it's like a pink velvet. So super cute, and I can toss that on my bed for fall time. And then I got a matching faux fur throw blanket. This is from Celebrity Home. It was $16.99. So I thought that was cute, that my bed will have kind of like a white and pink, blush pink theme. And the cute little pumpkin to be like Cinderella. That'll bring in some of my fall vibes. So I also got some pillows. Now the pillows, I'm really happy about these. I feel like I go through the cheap ones from Target all the time. So I got some really nice ones. They're the Sealy Premier pillows, and you can wash them. They're hyperallergenic. And you get a set of 2 for $19.99. So 2 pillows for 20 bucks. And yeah, they're super dense and thick and sturdy, but still soft and comfortable to sleep on, hopefully. So yeah, I just got 2. I probably need 4 of those, but I'll just start with 2 for now. And then lastly, we have these little cotton, I don't know what you call them, but I want to stick these into a vase, and also this. So we'll do like a little bit of an arrangement with some of my vases, and that's pretty much it. I have my, got stuff going on. Still got my camera lights out I need to put up. But I got my sweater weather candle here, so we'll light that up. And then I have leaves going on in the kitchen. So yeah, oh, and then here I have my, so this is funny because I'm not married. But I had bought the hubby wifey mugs from Target as a wedding gift. And unfortunately, I missed the ceremony, but I still wanted to get my friend a gift, and we have yet to get together. So I love the mugs, and they're on my table, and I just think they're really cute. They kind of give me like Mickey Mouse vibes, like the font, so I couldn't just put them up in my cabinet. So I got them on display here, even though I'm not married, but I think they're super cute. And I put these out every year. I got these at Target, the little copper leaves, and the napkins are also from Target, from Threshold. They're like a kind of a white, cream white, and then they have gold and silver stitching, so they're very festive. I love them out for, I actually use them all year round. I just switch out the napkin rings. So that is what's on my little dining table, and I don't know, I feel like I should put a little candle there or something, but anywho, let's get started on getting all of this stuff. Hey guys, so I hope you enjoyed today's video. As you can see, I still have some stuff to put away. There's still some things going on that I need to reorganize still, but hopefully you enjoyed the parts that I did decorate and you got some inspiration. If you haven't decorated already, it's not too late. Go ahead and do it, girl. Just go ahead, go to TJ Maxx before everything is gone, because they already have their Christmas stuff. I mean, I was holding on, trying so hard not to buy Christmas stuff because it was so tempting. Like, it's all new and organized. So yeah, it's already out there. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoy decorating with me. I think my favorite part is the TV. Let me know your favorite part in the comments. The bed looks so good and just cannot wait to go to sleep tonight. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your love and your feedback. But yeah, you guys know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss my next video. Mwah.